I've read this psalm a million times. Okay, I exaggerated, but you know what I mean, right? When the Holy Spirit sits with you, He always reveals something in a fresh new way. And today, y'all, I feel refreshed. Something that stood out to me today in Psalms 34:7, which says, "Delight yourself also in the Lord, and He shall give you the desires of your heart." When we give someone something, you're actually presenting to them an offer to actually take it, right? Today, I found myself thinking about how many times I have found joy, happiness, and peace in spending time delighting in God's presence as He commands us to do, only to reject the thing that He was trying to give me because it didn't come exactly the way I was expecting it to, or exactly the way that I asked for it. As I take pleasure in building a relationship with God and being fully transparent in my desires to God, I must also recognize that God sees my future and He actually knows what's best for me. Sometimes God is offering the desires of what you truly want, but you have been afraid to admit it to yourself. So you don't accept the offer. Why? Because you don't recognize it as your desire. Listen, trust in God's timing and know that He wants to do more than give you your best life. He wants to offer you His best life for you. The question is, will you accept God's offer? I know I'm definitely ready to. So thanks for joining me for another 1 minute on purpose.